Good morning, children. First thing today, again, we will join our hands and say our prayer. Join your hands. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high, you can't get over it. It's so deep, you can't get under it. It's so wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Okay, now first again I'm going to remind you, when you are sending your video, you need to tell your name in the video and you need to tell the standard. So if you are in first standard, you need to say first standard. You will write your name on the book and write first standard when you are sending the picture of your book. Okay, don't forget to do that. Now let's start our English book. Open to page number 5. Page number 5. So what's written out here? Let's learn alphabet. What's written? Let's learn alphabet. What do you have to say? Small letters. All the small letters are written out here. You just need to say each small letter. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you are going to write all these alphabets in your notebook from A to Z. Only the small letters first. Only the small letters first. Okay? Now what is this? Tell a word that begins with any letter. Now what you have to do is, you have to tell me all the words of all the alphabets. For example, you can tell A for ant, B for bat, C for cow, D for donkey. Like this you will tell me from all the alphabets any one word. Any one word. Okay? And you will make a video of the same thing and send it to me. I'm going to give 2-3 more examples. I will not tell you all. You need to think and tell me. For example, you can say V for violin, W for watermelon, X for xylophone, Y for yellow, Z for zebra. So you can tell any word beginning with these letters. This is your homework. You need to take a video and send it to me. Okay. Now, what is this? These are the capital letters. These are the capital letters. So let's say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now in the red and blue line book, first you will write only the small alphabets from A to Z. After that, on the next page you can write capital alphabets from A to Z. Remember, when you are writing small alphabets, you will write all small alphabets. When you are writing capital letters, you will write all capital letters only. Do not mix. One small letter, one capital letter is not what I want. That is not what you have to do. Okay? So first finish the small letters, then finish the capital letters, and then make a video on each alphabet. I want one word from each alphabet. At least one word. You can say more than one word. एक वर्ड से ज्यादा बोल सकते हो, लेकिन एक वर्ड जरूरी है सबका बोलना. Okay? I want you to take that video and send it to me. But don't forget to say your name and your class. Okay? Okay. Now we are going to revise the ag words. Which words? Ag words. AG words. AG words. First word is bag. B-A-G. Bag. Then we have gag. G-A-G. Gag. Hag. H-A-G. Hag. Lag. L-A-G. Lag. Then we have mag. M-A-G. Mag. Nag. N-A-G. Nag. Rag. R-A-G. Rag. Sag. S-A-G. Then we have tag. T-A-G. Wag. W-A-G. Brag. B-R-A-G. Then we have drag. D-R-A-G. Flag. F-L-A-G. Let's revise once. Bag, gag, hag, lag, mag, nag, rag, sag, tag, wag, brag, drag, and flag. What you have to do is write the whole AG words in your books, write the date, write your name and your standard, and take a photocopy and send. And you will take one video where you are saying all the words looking in your book. Like this: bag, gag, hag, lag, mag, nag, rag, sag, tag, wag, brag, drag, and flag. This is what you have to do and send it to me. Okay, so now we are going to revise all the maths topics that we have done. The first topic that we did is small and big. Small matlab chota, big matlab bada. If you remember, we have done this worksheet already. Now what I want you all to do, I'm going to send this worksheet on your phones. आपके फोन पे WhatsApp पे ये photos भेजूंगी मैं worksheets. You all will open this and do as what I am saying. So you will open this. In this there are questions. Which is bigger? मतलब इसमें कौन सा big है उसको circle करना है. Which is smaller? इसमें कौन सा smaller है? You have to circle that. How you will do it? In your book. Okay? In your book you can draw two balls, one big ball and small ball, and then you will circle the big ball. Here you can draw two apples, one big apple and one small apple. You will circle the small apple. Here, which is smaller? You can draw two bottles. Which is smaller? You will circle that. Here, which is bigger? You can, instead of cycle, if you want to draw a car, also it's okay. You can draw two cars, one small, one big. You will circle the bigger. Which is smaller? You can draw two moons, one small, one big, and circle the smaller one. Which is bigger? You can draw two lamps, one small, one big, and you will circle the bigger. After this, the second concept that we did was behind and in front of. Behind and in front of. मतलब behind मतलब पीछे, in front of मतलब आगे. Now my laptop is behind the book. The book is in front of the laptop. Okay. Now here what it is, there is a worksheet here also. What is there? Front and behind. Know the location of each object, underline the correct this thing. So in this there is a rat, which is rat is behind the computer or in front of the computer. So how you will do this worksheet is, you will just say the rat is in front of the computer. You don't need to draw this. When you are taking a video, you will just say the rat is in front of the computer. The man is standing in front of the electric fan. So you will just say in front of. The boy is hiding behind the tree. I saw a woman standing in front of the stairs. मतलब वो stairs है और woman is standing in front of. She is reading in front of the children. So I want you to say this statement. She is reading in front of. This woman is standing in front of the stairs. Then the third concept was above and below. Above मतलब ऊपर, below मतलब नीचे. The laptop is above the table. Table नीचे है and the laptop is above it. अभी इधर क्या है? So you have to tell which item is above or below. So whatever is above the table or below the table. Now here again you will not draw or anything, or you can just say orally. When you are looking at the worksheet, you can say orally, the teddy bear is above the table, so you will circle above. The dog is below, so you will circle below. The cone is below. The truck is above. Teddy bear is below. The bird is above. So this is a worksheet on above and below. Then we had the concept of earlier and later. Earlier मतलब पहले and later means बाद में. So look at the things in the boxes, then follow the directions to circle the correct thing. This thing you can draw in your books. You can draw in your books. Now what is the first this thing? You can draw in one line, circle, tire and a kite. And what you have to do is circle the thing that is before the tire. Tire के पहले कौन सा चीज है? Sun. So you will circle the sun. Circle the thing that is after the pool. There are three objects here: umbrella, pool and violin. Now they are asking what is after the pool. After the pool मतलब pool के बाद क्या है? So there is a violin. You will circle the violin. Circle the thing that is before the ball. What are the three objects here? Apple, newspaper and ball. अभी यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Before the ball. Means before ball के पहले क्या है? Newspaper. So you will circle the newspaper. On the concept of one and many. One and many. So one and many. Now in this what do we have? We have 5-6 objects. Circle the sets of many and cross the sets of one. So what do you have to do is, you will draw on a piece of paper one moon, 5 fishes, 1 apple, 1 aeroplane, 4 cupcakes, and you will circle only where there is many. You will circle those objects where there are many objects. So you will circle the dog, you will circle the cupcake, you will circle the fishes. This is your homework for concepts of maths. Once you are done, you can take photo, you can take video and send it to me. Bye.